Instant Neuro! Touch and pain information from the face is transmitted by the trigeminal nerve, CN5, which has three branches. The ophthalmic nerve, V1, innervates the eyes and forehead. The maxillary nerve, V2, innervates the central face, and the mandibular nerve, V3, innervates the chin, lower lip, and the floor of the mouth. The primary neuron for the trigeminal somatosensory pathway is found in the trigeminal ganglion. Depending on the type of information being carried, axons can synapse in three separate trigeminal nuclei in the brainstem. The mesencephalic nucleus of the trigeminal nerve deals with the proprioception of the face. The principal sensory nucleus, or main sensory nucleus, of the trigeminal nerve deals with the discriminative sensation of light touch on the face, as well as conscious proprioception of the jaw. The spinal nucleus of the trigeminal nerve, or spinal trigeminal nucleus, deals with crude, deep touch, pain, and temperature from the face. The spinal nucleus also receives input from cranial nerves 5, 7, 9, and 10. The first order neuron cell body for touch information from the face is in the trigeminal ganglion. The axon terminates in the principal sensory nucleus of the trigeminal nerve, where the second order neuron cell body is found. Axons decussate and ascend with the medial lemniscus. Remember, this is where touch from the periphery is also ascending. We can call this the trigeminal lemniscus. These axons terminate in the ventral posterior medial nucleus, VPM, of the thalamus. The third order neuron projects from the VPM to the primary somatosensory cortex in the postcentral gyrus via the posterior limb of the internal capsule. The first order neuron cell body for pain information from the face is in the trigeminal ganglion. The axon descends in the descending tract of 5, also called the spinal tract, and terminates in the spinal nucleus of the trigeminal complex, where the second order neuron cell body is found. Axons decussate and ascend with the spinothalamic tract. Remember, this is where pain from the periphery is also ascending. We can call this the trigeminothalamic tract. These axons terminate in the ventral posterior medial nucleus, VPM, of the thalamus. The third order neuron projects from the VPM to the primary somatosensory cortex in the postcentral gyrus via the posterior limb of the internal capsule. The trigeminal nerve is responsible for a number of reflexes, including the corneal reflex, sucking reflex, sneeze reflex, and jaw jerk reflex. Trigeminal neuralgia is a neuropathic disorder of the trigeminal nerve characterized by episodes of intense pain in the face triggered by mandibular movement, including smiling, yawning, or tactile stimulation. 1, 2, or all 3 branches of the trigeminal nerve may be affected, and 10% of all cases are bilateral. Trigeminal neuralgia is not easily controlled but can be managed with a variety of treatment options, including treatment with carbamazepine or surgical removal of the aberrant artery. Instant Neuro!